What if you didn't need a six-figure paycheck or a degree in finance to get there? Even if your bank account is sitting at zero right now, the path to wealth is still possible. A path that's slow, steady, low risk, and proven to work over time. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating wealth from the ground up, regardless of your starting point. Welcome to FinTech Innovate AI, the channel where personal finance becomes easy to understand and easy to apply. Section: The truth about slow wealth. Most people believe that building wealth requires taking big risks or earning a very high income. There's a common belief that unless you're investing in volatile stocks or running a successful business, you're falling behind. But here's the truth. That idea is completely misleading and often holds people back. The reality is, real wealth doesn't come from speed, hype, or lucky breaks. It's not about timing the market or catching the next big opportunity before everyone else does. Real wealth is built slowly, through small, consistent actions repeated over time. Slow wealth isn't boring. It's powerful because it's stable, proven, and doesn't fall apart overnight. This kind of wealth is rooted in good habits, financial discipline, and long-term thinking. It stays with you, even when the economy shifts or trends change. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to get started. You don't need fancy degrees, insider knowledge, or even a large savings account. You just need a clear plan, patience, and the willingness to begin from wherever you are right now. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through each step to build lasting wealth, even if you're starting from nothing. Step 1. Shift your mindset. You can start from nothing. If you keep telling yourself you'll start building wealth once you have more, that day may never come. Waiting for the perfect income or the perfect time often turns into years of missed opportunities. The truth is, you don't need a six-figure salary to begin your journey toward financial freedom. Wealth doesn't come from how much you earn. It comes from how consistently you act on what you have. It's built on belief in your future, patience with the process, and the courage to take small steps forward. There are people who started with minimum wage jobs, part-time gigs, or freelance side hustles and still managed to build serious long-term wealth. They didn't rely on luck or massive income boosts. They simply made smart, intentional choices again and again over time. So don't wait for perfect conditions. Start where you are, use what you have, and build from there, one smart decision at a time. Step 2. Master your spending before you chase more income. Before you think about investing or starting a side hustle, you need to take control of how you manage the money you already have. If your spending habits aren't in check, no amount of extra income will help you build lasting wealth. That's why mastering your spending is the foundation of your entire financial journey. Start by tracking every rupee or dollar you spend, down to the smallest expenses. You'll quickly spot where your money is leaking and where you can cut back without sacrificing your lifestyle. Eliminate the non-essential purchases that silently add up over time. Be especially careful of lifestyle inflation, that subtle trap where your expenses grow every time your income does. Instead of upgrading your life with every raise, focus on upgrading your savings and investments. Spending less than you earn isn't just smart. It's the most common habit shared by self-made millionaires. No matter your income level, this one principle can completely change your financial future. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Even if it's just 10, wealth doesn't begin the day you have enough. It begins the moment you decide to save first and spend only what's left. This mindset shift is what separates consistent savers from lifelong spenders. Even if you can only put aside $10 a week, that's where your habit begins. The amount isn't what matters. It's the discipline of doing it every single time. That habit, over months and years, becomes the foundation of your financial stability. To make it easier, set up automated savings that pull money from your account before you even touch it. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or groceries. Over time, this small step turns into a powerful snowball of progress. That snowball leads to peace of mind, financial security, and the freedom to make better choices with your life. Start now, not when you have more, but with what you have today. Step 4. Invest in safe, long-term assets, not what's trending. When it comes to building long-term wealth, chasing trends is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Forget the hype around crypto coins, penny stocks, or the so-called next big thing. These high-risk plays can wipe out your savings before you even get started. Instead, focus on safe, time-tested investments that grow slowly but steadily. Think index funds, government bonds, retirement accounts, and ETFs. These options may not seem exciting, but they offer real results over the long term. What they lack in thrill, they make up for in consistency. They're designed to weather market ups and downs, keeping your money safe while it grows. This strategy protects your future and compounds your wealth over time, without sleepless nights or sudden losses. Choose slow, smart, and proven over risky and fast every single time. Step 5. Slowly add new income streams. Once your core money habits are solid, the next step is to grow your income, not by burning out with endless hours, but by adding small, smart income streams. You don't need to quit your job or take big risks to get started. Instead, focus on low-barrier opportunities you can do in your free time. Try freelancing online, offering a service or creating digital products like templates, guides, or ebooks. You could also sell your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, even if it's just a few hours a week. These extra income streams might start small, but they can grow over time. And the beauty is, they add financial momentum without adding major risk. You're not replacing your main income right away. You're simply building a stronger financial base that helps you save, invest, and build wealth faster. Step 6. Stay the course and ignore the noise. This is the point where most people give up, not because it's hard, but because it takes time. Building real wealth is a slow process, and that's exactly why so many people abandon it too early. They get distracted by quick wins, shiny trends, or promises that sound too good to be true. You will have moments of doubt. You'll be tempted to stop saving or pull out of a long-term investment. But staying consistent is what separates those who build lasting wealth from those who never get there. Keep doing the simple things, saving regularly, investing wisely, and learning as you grow. Even if progress feels slow, it's still progress. And when the results show up, they'll be strong, stable, and impossible to take away. No shortcut will ever beat a disciplined plan that actually works. Stick with it. Your future self will thank you for it. Conclusion: controlling your spending isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's the difference between reacting to your finances and taking full ownership of them. And once you've mastered this step, everything else becomes easier. Saving feels automatic. Investing becomes possible. Side income isn't about survival, it's about growth. So start now. Track your spending. Build your budget and take control of your money before it takes control of you. If this video gave you a roadmap you can follow, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who feels stuck financially. Thanks for watching.